Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a navigation menu with bottom border links using HTML5 and CSS3. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the software itself, which is TextEdit. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application, TextEdit, click on this, and then Command S to save. Go to the desktop, start a new folder, call this folder navigation menu, create, change the file's name to index.htm, save, yes, use.htm, increase the size of the TextEdit file, Command plus a couple of times to increase the font size, and now we are ready to bring in the HTML and CSS on screen. Less than, exclamation mark, doc type in capitals, HTML, new line, HTML, less than / HTML. Within this, we need the head and body. And now we can bring in the HTML5 within the body. Less than div class equals speech marks top nav greater than, go to a new line, indent, less than a class equals speech marks active href equals speech marks hashtag home greater than home, less than / a greater than, go to a new line, indent, less than a href equals speech marks hashtag news greater than news, less than / a greater than, go to a new line again, and take the previous line of code, highlight, copy, indent, paste, and then change news to contact. And likewise on the right hand side of the page, go to a new line again and then end with the div tag less than / div greater than, go to a new line again and then insert a new div tag, div style equals speech marks padding dash left colon 16 pixels greater than, go to a new line again, less than h2 navigation menu with underline links less than / h2 greater than, go to a new line again. We can have paragraphs if required to, but not for this tutorial. End with a div tag less than / div. The navigation menu itself has been completed. The only thing left now is to insert all the HTML. The navigation menu itself has been completed. The only thing now to do to insert is the CSS3. Go all the way to the top after head. We need less than style greater than, less than / style greater than. Within style, bring in all the CSS, body, curly brace, margin, colon, 0, semicolon, curly brace, new line, again, dot, top, nav, curly brace, new line, overflow, background color, go to overflow, colon, highlight, copy, paste at the end of each word, go back to overflow, hidden semicolon, background color, hashtag F1, 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 3 times, semicolon, new line, curly brace. Go to a new line, dot top nav, a curly brace, new line, float, display, color, text align, padding, text decoration, font size, border dash bottom. Go back to the top after float, colon, highlight, copy, and then paste at the end of each word. Go back to the top again, float to the left, semicolon, display, block, semicolon, color, black, semicolon, text align to the center, semicolon, padding, 14 pixels, 16 pixels, semicolon, text decoration, none, font size, 17 pixels, semicolon, border bottom, 3 pixels, solid, transparent, semicolon, go to a new line, curly brace, go to a new line again, dot top nav, a hover, curly brace, new line, indent, border bottom, highlight the previous line of code, Command C to copy, and then paste, and then change 3 solid transparent to 3 solid red, which will be the color when clicked, and we will see the color red on the bottom of the navigation bar. Go to a new line again, curly brace, go to a new line again, copy the previous line of code, paste, and then change hover to active, curly brace, new line, border bottom, copy the previous line of code and paste, go to a new line again, curly brace, Command S to save. So the programming in HTML5 and CSS3 to create a navigation menu with bottom border links has been completed. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to the desktop, go to navigation menu, go to index.html, right click, open with Safari, minimize Finder, decrease the size of the web browser and the text edit file so we can then see what is happening on a simultaneous level at the same time. Go to the web browser, right click, reload the page, hover over home, news, contact. Every time you hover, what do we see? A red line on the bottom of every navigation click or hover. Quit Safari, quit text edit. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.